In this video, I will show you how to pin a location on Google Maps in just a few easy steps. To begin, open the Google Maps app on your mobile phone. Once the app is open, you can either search for a specific location using the search bar or navigate manually on the map. For instance, if you want to pin a random location in the woods for a picnic or mark your home, it's easy to do with just a few taps. If you try to tap once on a random spot on the map, you will notice that Google Maps doesn't pin it automatically. Instead, you need to press and hold your finger on the exact location that you want to pin. When you do this, a red pin will appear on the map, indicating that your location has been pinned successfully. Once your location is pinned, you can save it for easy access later. To save the pinned location, tap on the Save option at the bottom of your screen. You will then have several options to categorize the location. You can save it as a favorite, mark it as a place you want to visit, or even create a travel plan. If you prefer, you can also create a new list by tapping on New List, entering a name for it, and selecting whether you want it to remain private or be shared with others. Once you've done that, tap Create at the top right of your screen. If you want to share this pinned location with someone else, tap on the Share icon. After tapping Continue, you can share the location through any messaging or social media app you prefer. This is a great way to let your friends and family know exactly where you are or where to meet you, and that's how easy it is to pin and save a location on Google Maps.